Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll learn how to convert subtitles to speech with FlexClip. After finishing the subtitle creation, click the speech button. Adjust the voice settings to meet your needs, and then click Generate. A few seconds later, you'll get AI voice clips. Since the duration of the subtitles and AI voices are different, there will be overlap problems. You just need to rearrange these voice clips and then adjust the subtitles duration according to the audio clips. By default, the audio links with the scene. Therefore, when you adjust the order of the scene, the audio will move simultaneously. Sometimes, you need to modify one of the subtitles. After finishing, you can find the subtitle to speech button on the top of the canvas. Click it, adjust the voice settings, and click Generate. You'll get a new voice clip in seconds. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.